So I brought this mini screw machine from the Amazon. Let me open this pack to see our product. It came up with this nice box. So this is all inside. It came up with these lots of different size screw bits, and the machine looks quite slim and smooth. Let me test this. It got the magnet inside which holds the bits, and it makes it simple and quite easy to use. It got two switches to rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. It works so smoothly and nicely, even if this. Here on this top, it got the charging port. It came up with one of this charging cable. You can charge it with the mobile adapter. This 5 light shows how much charge it has. So overall it's expensive but worth every single penny. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.